Imagine a world where birds spontaneously combust into flames, bursting into fire before your eyes, only to rise again from the ashes moments later. This isn't destruction, it's rebirth. These flames don't just consume, they heal. Every fire that ignites restores, rejuvenates, and heals everything it touches. But what happens when these phoenix fires spread? Can the world withstand a plague of rebirth, where everything burns and regenerates in a cycle of fire and renewal? Is this a blessing or a curse? Could the Phoenix Plague be the beginning of a new era, or the end of the world as we know?